Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, we are going to be learning how to unban your TikTok account. It can be a disaster if your TikTok account has been permanently banned, but don't worry, we got you. Firstly, you need to go into the Google app and search Unban TikTok account. Now, tap on the very first link that says Account Safety. Once you're in the Account Safety TikTok page, you will need to scroll down right to the bottom till you find the option of Please send a report here. Click on that. Now here you can file a report with TikTok about your banned account. Now you need to put in the details. Firstly, enter your email. After the email, you need to enter your username. Now you need to select the topic, Account Ban. Now you need to tell more. You should select others in this option. Now scroll down to the bottom. In the How can we help, you should be putting in your application, requesting TikTok to reinstate your account. Now submit the request and your application has been submitted. Easy, right? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.